hope.
Let's see his reaction when he comes back.
Matt says you
heard him coming.
Yeah, I know that sound. I used to see my son fly at times. I was going over the freeway, and I took note of the time, and I said, "Is that you over the freeway?" Yeah, I was doing that. If somebody's fighting it on the other side, then he's got a gun like it. He's told me all the lessons to the field and what have you, that he told me how to get good at what this is. The guy just panicking and he's grabbing and mad and screwing at him. Right. Because, I don't want to die. I don't want some guy going berserk on me.
Right.
And so, but other than that, he's only had one. He says, but 95% of them really like it after they get out. A lot of them are pretty leery at first.
Oh, no, it's serious. Oh, you come back.
Bueno,
So, how was it?
it was. Did you like it?
Yeah. Did you get to control it?
Yeah, I did pretty good from what I hear.
No, he'll tell you. Getting some good views.
Yeah, there's some views, I guess, of the Delaware River, if you can see, or New Jersey.
Was it bumpy?
No, not so much.
Not so much.
You did really well. Awesome.
You can sign up for classes now.
Yeah. You'd probably move through quick, man. Yeah, it looks like you had a little natural ability there.
It's always good to know, huh?
Yeah, I got him and one other guy that I was only allowed to let him do as much as he was able to do. Actually, he was turning around, which is not so easy. I had him doing turns.
Oh, hey, you're kind of a natural there.
Yeah, it takes most people 2-3 hours before they can actually do that. And you were holding altitude really well. I hope.
about that one guy that was what, Jamaican or
No,
something?
Haiti.
Oh, Haiti.
Yeah, that's the guy I was telling you about that I had to just don't touch anything, put your hands in your lap.
Yeah, he'll take you out on that one. How much is that one an hour?
He charges $1,200 a half hour.
Probably see a lot more.
Well, actually, he'll break them off to one for how much?
I think it's $7 grand, $6 or $7 grand if you break them